barely played games since joining from Bofakwa Samoa Samoa. Chance for Aduana, Kelvin Obeng, and it's the opening goal. Aduana has scored the opening goal here at the Nana Agyemang Badu the first pack. It is Kelvin Obeng on the score sheet. Kelvin Obeng takes a seat at the Nana Agyemang Badu Park. His captain also takes a seat, and they jump into the lead against Asante Kotoko. It's Aduana 1, Kotoko 0 here in Domahinkro. The former Brecum Chelsea striker, he was up against his former teammate Henry Ensu, but he was too strong for Ensu. The question is, did Asari rush him coming forward, or it was the best decision he took as a goalkeeper? Ensu completely beaten to it by Obeng. 1-0 Aduana.